Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Leo Chen of Levitate Style. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about the Jordan 13 Flint. Now, before we get into this video, please follow me on Instagram at Levitate Style. I post daily men's fashion and travel content there, so follow along. Also, hit that subscribe button. We got new sneaker and men's style video on this channel every week. All right, guys, super excited for this sneaker review, the Jordan 13 Flint. I actually got these thanks to you guys for letting me know about the shock drop right at the last episode of The Last Dance. So I was able to get them a little bit earlier, so here's a good early review before you guys decide to buy this upcoming week. I gotta say, looking at this pair of sneaker right here makes me feel old, because back when I was in high school, that's when these retro first came out. And so I remember getting a pair of these and wearing them a lot. And for the same reason why a lot of people back then loved this colorway, it's a really nice, clean pair of sneaker with the navy and the gray and the white colors. Jordans are usually black and red, the Chicago Bulls colors, and that's awesome. It looks really great. But when it comes to styling and wear it for every day, these colors are a lot easier to match. This Jordan 13 colorway to me is definitely a lifestyle sneaker. The colorways are so much easier to wear. The navy blue, the gray, these are everyday essential colors that we probably all have that can easily match and wear these casually. So if you're new to the channel, I'm just gonna give you guys a quick review on these, and then I'm gonna jump into the styling. I'm gonna show you guys 6 ways to wear this in this video. All right, so first, the box. It comes in this awesome original box. I believe this was the original packaging back in the day, and I just love the style, the gray color with the Jumpman embossed here in the middle. The colorway is technically navy university blue. I got this in a size 11, and this retails for $190. So since this is a retro pair of sneaker, nothing really has changed that much. I'm just gonna quickly go over the features on this pair of sneaker. You have this 3M material in this navy blue on the top here, and I love this material. It's very interesting. The texture makes the sneaker very interesting as well. And I love it if you take a flash photo, if you flash a light in a certain way. Obviously it's 3M, so it's gonna pop and flash. Going to the middle here, you got this gray color, and it is in this nice suede texture. So right away, as someone who is in fashion and style, I love texture. You got suede, 3M tech material, and you got this tumble leather. Very interesting. And then on the bottom, you have this black and gray with this navy blue, and you have this hologram blue on the bottom here. On the tongue, you have this Jumpman logo in this Carolina blue. So there's a nice contrast between the navy blue and the Carolina blue here. And on the back, you have this gray suede material, and the other famous feature on the 13 is the hologram Jumpman over here. Overall, it's the classic Jordan 13 in this nice lifestyle colorway that is super easy to wear. Styling the Jordan 13 is a little bit trickier because they're more like a basketball sneaker versus the older retros. They've become more like a vintage retro type sneaker, much more lifestyle now. Those are very easy to wear. So think about like the 1, the 3, 4, 5, 6. Those have become really easy to style. So these are a little bit harder because they are chunkier and bigger, more cushion. And obviously, like, the styling is very different. Love these lifestyle colors. They're very easy to match. So honestly, any pieces that you have that's navy blue, gray, or white, you can really just mix and match and style them as you like. Here are 6 outfit ideas on how to style the Air Jordan 13 Flint. First up is the bomber jacket. Now this bomber jacket here I got from Zara. I got this a few years ago. This is about $60. This, I love the design because obviously going towards the spring and summer season, it's definitely more tropical. And this is definitely a copy from like the Saint Laurent jacket. So those jackets, if you guys can afford it, those goes about like $1,000. This is a nice similar copy design that's for like 60 bucks, 100 bucks. You can probably find similar styles on H&M and ASOS. I'll have similar items linked in the video description. Now this jacket is definitely more of an upscale designer look option to match the Jordan 13. For the jeans, I'm just matching these with some white jeans. I think white jeans are another must for the summer season. That's a simple, easy style upgrade for everybody. I know it could be a little scary at first because number one is a pair of white jeans. Also, it can get dirty easily. But guys, it's just a white pair of jeans. It's okay, just wash it, but it makes your outfit pop really nice. And the white complements the white tumble leather on the sneaker really nicely. Second look is the utility jacket. This navy tactical utility jacket here I got from ASOS, and I love this piece. This is very trendy right now. I think this has been made popular by a lot of high-end designer brands. I think specifically like Dior has been bringing out a lot of these like technical style looks. So this is definitely very fashion forward, very trendy. And I think if you can grab something like this from ASOS, H&M, it's worth trying out the trend. Love this utility jacket because it's very interesting. Number one, the material is nice and soft. This is not super thick. So you can actually wear this in the spring, summer months when it's getting hotter out. It has this like windbreaker type material. So it's definitely lighter, not heavy like a leather jacket. Number two, I love the look. It's interesting, it's different, but also it's actually 2-in-1. You can actually detach this vest and you still have a normal Coach jacket on the bottom, and you can wear the vest on its own as well. So when you wear it together, it has this very designer look, and you can easily break it apart. So you can wear this one jacket 3 different ways. I think this utility look, this windbreaker material is interesting, kind of matches the interesting material on the 3M navy part of the sneaker. For this look, I'm going with this monochromatic look. What does that mean? I'm going one color. So I'm keeping the jacket navy blue, and then for the jeans, I'm also going with these navy jeans here. So keeping this whole look one color, it's a very uniform look, and that makes it look more structured, more serious to pair with the sneaker. And when it comes to the sneaker, the white on the sneaker will pop a lot more. So you can see the outfit is navy blue, and on the bottom, the white part of the sneaker really pops. Look number 3 is the work jacket. This work jacket here I got from Uniqlo, and I've covered this quite a few times in my Uniqlo shop haul video, my jacket must-have videos for spring, and back again. I love this color. It's an essential, easy to wear neutral color, match with anything. For this look though, I'm going more simple. I'm gonna let the sneaker pop, so I'm gonna go with this off-white beige color jacket. And I love this jacket because it kind of looks like a Fear of God type of jacket. I love the styling, nice and clean, nice and structured. There's no crazy branding everywhere. Just a nice overall jacket to match with the sneakers. For the bottom, I'm going with these jeans from Hudson Jeans. I love this because it's a very interesting styling pair of jeans here. Got different mixed materials, different panels, so it makes the outfit more interesting. And it's definitely more of a baggier fit, different from my usual slim fit jeans. Since the 13 is more of a basketball sneaker, a little bit chunkier, I think going with something a little bit bigger, a little bit more loose fit could matches the sneaker a little bit better. These will not look good with skinny jeans. I think skinny jeans is gonna be so tight around the ankle, and then the sneaker is so big and chunky, so it just looks out of proportion. So I think that's always the key to styling these sneakers is proportion. So for these, going with something a little bit baggier, a little bit wider could look better. Next up is the denim shirt. This denim shirt here is some Calvin Klein jeans. I love this denim shirt as we go towards the summer season. As we get into the warmer months, the denim jacket is gonna be too hot for that. So similar look, similar styling, but going for a denim shirt instead. Now for the style look, I'm going with the classic double denim. The denim shirt at the top, and then some blue denim jeans at the bottom to match the sneakers. Can't go wrong with the double denim look. It's a fun, easy fashion look to pull off. It's definitely gonna work well, and it's nice casual look to go with the sneakers. You got the white part on the shirt and the ripped details on the jeans to match the sneaker, the white and the blue. Outfit number 5 is the pattern shirt. Now this pattern shirt here I got from H&M, and it costs around $20. This is one of my favorite trends in the summer, especially for guys, because we can really have some fun with these pattern shirts. Really, this is the only season during the year we can really have fun with patterns. Think about this, like you don't really see this kind of busy, fun patterns in the fall or winter or spring season. But during the summertime, we have all these fun patterns, fun colors that we can wear. This has been my go-to styling with Jordans over the years. These kinds of pattern shirts you can find at Express, H&M, Zara, everywhere now. And they usually average about $20 to $30. This one I love, of course. You got this navy color, a nice busy and fun pattern to line things up. In the pattern you got this white detail and also these baby blue color to match exactly like the white and the Carolina blue on the sneaker. Because the shirt is so busy, I'm just gonna keep the jeans nice and clean. I'm going back with those white jeans to match the sneakers. Outfit number 6 is the polo shirt. This polo shirt here is from the Thai Bar. Of course, last but not least, I got the polo shirt, another classic for the summer season. And specifically, I went with this one because I love the retro styling on the Polo. You got this white trimming, piping style. I love this retro style to match with some retro sneakers. Now this is definitely more of a grown-up dad type look, but embrace the Polo shirt. It's a really sharp and styling piece. You can wear this with anything. You can wear this with loafers, sneakers, and try this out with a pair of Jordan 13. Polo shirt is more of a casual retro style, and the ripped jeans is gonna be too much of a clashing style. So for this, I'm going back with the navy blue jeans. So let's look again. It's keeping it all blue, nice and clean, and I'm gonna let the sneaker pop at the bottom. All right, so there you have it. Early review on the Jordan 13 and 6 ways to wear them. Let me know which one of the outfits is your favorite in the comments. Please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you guys haven't already. Thank you guys for watching.